Hola, buenas, ¿cómo están? Yo estoy muy feliz de verlos de nuevo. I am very happy to see you again. ¿Listos? Empecemos. Hoy vamos a aprender a deletrear en español. That's a strange word, right? Deletrear. Let's learn how to spell it. D E L E T R E A R. Deletrear. Deletrear means to spell. Let's rewind for a minute. Do you remember how to make a phone call in Spanish? ¿Aló?
Buenas, ¿se encuentra Patricia?
Sí, ¿quién la busca?
Mateo.
¿Me podría deletrear su nombre, por favor?
Claro, es M-A-T-E-O.
Muchas gracias. Un momento, por favor.
Gracias.
Excelente. Let's do a quick review. As you can see, sometimes it is important to spell out your first name or your last name. So let's go over the alphabet in Spanish. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, doble L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excelente. So what are the differences between the English and the Spanish alphabet or alfabeto? We, for example, have the letter doble L, which is two L's, and that is pronounced Y. So the word llave, which is key, is an example, and another example is in the phrase me llamo Andrea, which we learned earlier. Llamo. That's also the double L. Then we also have the letter ñ. What words can you think of with the letter ñ? Well, there's niño or niña, which is boy or girl. There's also año, which is year. And we also have mañana, tomorrow. Now try practicing spelling out your own name in Spanish. ¿Me podría deletrear su nombre, por favor? Great, now you know how to spell your own name. We will go through more differences between English and Spanish in later lessons. But for now, that's all we have. See you next time.